Hi, it's Alberto Hernandez with Moeller Realty Group. I'm here at my listing 1543 Peach Street. I just want to give you a virtual tour. Let's check it out. As you can see here on the neighborhood view, it looks like there's no neighbors in the front. It currently has a 0.27 of an acre that's listed for sale next door, but it is active under contract. The property does have solar panels, so the buyers will have to qualify for that loan to transfer that solar, so you can get electricity at affordable power. The seller believes that the lot lines for this property kind of like line up with this fence right here, they believe. And so this would be the dividing line for the property according to the sellers. And this is the property that's active under contract now. We should be closing escrow on that this week coming up. This property is plumbed with gas and city sewer. It is 2-story. Let's go inside. The property does have perimeter fencing. It's wood on this side, fence on the other. Not technically perimeter fencing because the other side is missing, so partially fenced. But let's go inside. This would be the living area here. Upstairs is about 312 square feet approximately, upstairs in the area up here. This would be maybe like an extra area for either dining or a book study or an office. Not technically considered a room because it doesn't have a closet. The home does have central heating and air. This would be one of the first bedrooms here. You can see it does have a closet. In the hallway here, we have the first bathroom. We have dual sinks and a standing shower. The second bedroom is over here. Has a nice walk-in closet and its own standing shower. The second bath is here with its own dual sinks as well. The third bedroom is right here. And it has a smaller closet, but it's got one. This is like a small storage area underneath the stairs here. This is the room that connects to the entrance. Now we're going into the kitchen. We have a dining area here. And this would be the galley kitchen. It's got natural gas, stove. This area would be considered like the wash area. We have the washer and dryer here and storage back here. Let's head out to the outside of the property. This is the shop in the back. Pretty large shop. You have a gate over here to the side. You see the solar panels are up there. This container here may or may not stay with the property. Here's the small property line marker the neighbors, the sellers put in, I mean. Let's see how it marks the property. The sellers are in the middle of removing most of their personal belongings. Let's go back inside and get out of this heat. Thanks for viewing my home tour. It's Alberto Hernandez with Moeller Realty Group. If I can help you with this property or any other property, please call me at 530-321-0358. Thanks for watching.